Okay, we are now live for reals this time. It is a bit of a downer, isn't it, when it takes you such a long time to set up the bloody stream?
Yeah, but you do it a few times and then it's all sorted, so it's all good. It's all good.
Maybe. Are you driving or shall I drive?
Entirely up to you. I've got credits, so if you want me to drive, I can drive on the API, which is the inbuilt harness, or I can drive on MCP, or you can drive. Entirely up to you.
I'm going to drive with Claude.
Do it.
Yeah. So let's just share this window that I just made.
And using the Claude subscription is way cheaper than using the API token credits, of course.
This one. Right, but we also need to go to blink, blinkety blinkety blink.
Yeah.
Oh, we could do it like this. There's these things. How do they work?
Right click. Oh no, you have to open another tab first.
Do you?
I think so. Oh well, this is but is this Chrome or is this Firefox?
This is Firefox, but you can do the same thing.
Okay.
Like you.
Wow! Look at that.
Add split view.
Wow. Oh, yeah, but you can then. Okay.
Go on.
Choose. Yeah, choose that one. There, click that blink there in the middle. Click blink. Yeah, you go. Like boom.
Okay, so should we make it bigger?
I think so, and probably move your Claude a little bit. Yeah, we don't need all that.
No, Claude's really good at just being over here. Right.
Feels like I'm in VS Code. Oh, yeah.
So, hello. I would like to use blink. This is going to be one of those streams though where I can't type for toffee.
That's okay.
To make a Donkey Kong type game. Can you open blink? Can you open a new project in blink, please?
Well, do you? I don't know if can it do that. I don't know if it can do that.
I think it can. I think it can.
I'm not sure it can, but okay.
Okay, let's try. Otherwise, I'll have to tell it.
Yeah, I think I would have thought. Oh, look, yeah, it's trying to set a project name. I think you have to click on new project first to initiate the MCP.
I might. I need your right, because you can't do that. So we have to go here.
Yeah.
And it will start this thing.
Yeah.
And then I have to go like this, and that will copy it into Blink, and then I can just paste it over here to Claude.
That's right.
Like that. Apparently I have to press Control Enter all of a sudden.
And you're using Sonnet 5 Medium, and then you have to approve that because we don't want anybody to just push. So here we go. It's created a Donkey Kong Claude. That's cool. I mean, it's pretty fast MCP then.
Want me to start building it out? Clear character with jump clump? No, I don't. That's why I asked you to build it. Yes, you foolish robot. Maybe we should just call this the Insulting AIs stream.
I think you should be very careful.
Why is that?
Because I think all of these things will be logged somewhere, and eventually when robots take over, you will be...
It'll know I'm the fun one.
It'll know you're enemy number one. That's for sure. And Claude bots will... There you go. You have to approve. Now, I don't know why you have to approve this again. Now, you mentioned this the other day. I don't think this happens if you are using... Yes, this is annoying. Really annoying.
It didn't used to do this, so I think you've just got a bug.
Maybe I have.
Or Claude has changed, or something like that. Something like that.
Yeah, it's annoying because you're going to have to click OK a lot.
What's it doing?
Yes, what this is doing is it's setting up an MCP link to the specific tab. It's not any tab, it's your tab. That's why
the approval. It's writing JS. Why is it so slow? What's it doing?
it's writing files, and it's I don't think that
I can't see which file it's writing though.
well, it isn't. Well, you can click on blink write file on the left, and it will tell you.
Got to approve again.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it was writing a file. That's okay. I mean, look.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, so always allow. This is now checking a preview. So Blink has a. You do the click the left thing. Always allow.
Where? Yes, there.
Yeah. So this is a. So obviously there's certain permissions in Claude and Claude.
Approve again. It's a bit approvey.
Before it approves anything, you have to, as the instigator of it, you have to approve these things. Once you've done them once, it sort of remembers. But well, there you go.
How's the wine?
It looks as though it's sort of made a game. It looks like a canvas game, I guess.
How's the wine?
The wine's amazing.
Is it?
The wine is always amazing. I mean, it looks as though I haven't drank any, but I have.
Okay, let's. Where's preview? Is it that one? Preview only.
That is that.
Game
That is
over.
just
Press
the full
R to
screen.
start. Woo!
There you go. And then it falls through the hole. So you can probably tell Claude to. Come on, Claude.
That was bad.
You are using Sonnet, and this is what I say when I talk to people every day. Sonnet's fine, and I think Sonnet's better for. It's a fast model, and it's a good model, but there's so many better models now, such as Opus 5.
This is Sonnet 5.
Yeah, but Opus 5 is like even more, and Fable, of course. I think for Donkey Kong, I think Fable would knock it out of the park.
Always allow.
Yeah. It's just doing screenshots. You do it once and then it'll be fine. But you are using the web-based harness. I think if you use the CLI harness, it would be so much better. I use the CLI harness a lot. In fact, pretty much always.
That's because you're a trusting fool.
Well, maybe you should fix it because it's broken. Yeah, maybe. So your prompts are way less descriptive than mine. Mine are.
I think it should be able to cope with these. You see, again, when the revolution comes, and it's going through deciding which members of humanity it will exterminate with a toothbrush, because that's the method it will choose.
And you think because you are.
Because I've treated it like a fellow human.
Well, I hope not.
It will. It will seek to make me its king. I think that's what it'll do.
Oh, no! It's not falling through the ground anymore, which is it is a little bit of a.
What is this? Oh, they're barrels.
I presume they're barrels, but they're placed incorrectly on the.
They are.
Yeah.
And is this Mario?
He wasn't Mario back then. He was Jumpman. But yes, I presume so.
Oh, with your encyclopedic knowledge of pointless,
well, I do have lots of books
stuff
on computer games. There's a really good one called Larry Bundy Jr. and the book is called Fact. Let me write. I've had a drink, but Fact Hunt.
Fact Hunt
is the name of the book.
Oh my God.
And it's an amazing. In fact, I am named in this book as one of the. There he is, Larry Bundy Jr. Fact Hunt. And he has an amazing YouTube channel. And I think I'm in the back somewhere. Yes, I am.
Stop 9-core.
Yeah, look at that. It's amazing.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
It's not in alphabetical
the viewers
order.
can see very nicely.
But yes, Larry Bundy Jr. is one of my favourite people to listen to on YouTube.
I think I've concluded you have a personality for radio.
Thank you.
Anyway, let's have a look. Does it do anything now? No. As soon as I press a key, oh, Claude, it jumped. Like, oh, what the hell is this? That wasn't going up a ladder, surely.
Hey, look, it's working. Look, listen, that's pretty good. Oh, it looked like you.
It's arrow keys. I don't know what jump is. Oh, jump is space. Whee! That isn't bad, is it?
It's not bad.
Can we lower the jump, do you think?
I think based on model, I mean it's done the barrels now as well, which is pretty good. The jump's too high, lower the jump. It's pretty good.
Do you think, like, I do think this is quite impressive, because it's minutes of fun.
It is. Now, back in the day when Commodore Amiga had a computer, I made a game with a gent, and it took us ages. We weren't game developers, but it took us a long time. And the ability to do this with Claude and things like that is just a way to get your idea on the screen. It's so good. You know,
don't you think that not just that, but I don't need. So the other day, maybe a couple of weeks ago, I can't remember what it was, whether it was a Pac-Man or something like that. I've done it multiple times.
Yeah, I remember you saying.
Yeah, but I've done it multiple times with Tetris, certainly, and I'm pretty sure I've done it multiple times with Pac-Man. So you're really bored, you're very tired, and instead of, I know you go and play a proper video game, but instead of going to play a video game, I go and make one and then play it. And I don't need to, like, I much prefer playing a game like this. You know, it's simple. How do I refresh, do you think?
There's a refresh button there. There's a refresh button right there next to the frames per second, the third one in from the right. Bottom, down. There you go.
Right, let's just refresh it, because it said it updated with the jump.
Right, there we go.
Okay,
It must have updated the jump.
Let's go. Come on. Oh, that is better.
Pretty bad, isn't it? It's much better.
That's better. Look at that. Oh, man.
Now, yeah, and then you died. You clicked a barrel, so...
I should be able to jump on top of the barrel and just dance on top of the barrel.
You shouldn't be able to jump on a barrel. Absolutely not.
Why not?
Because that's not what the game was.
But this is my new game.
Oh, well, you could change the rules, of course.
I know, that's what I just said. That was what
talking about fun and stuff like that. I was sat with Millie the other day, and I plugged I plugged one of my joypads into my computer, and I said, let's make a game. So we made Millie and the Butterflies, which was a very simple platformer game. It did it in a few minutes. He got bored, obviously, because everything needs to be instant for children. But after about 3 minutes, we had a game that she even came to me whilst I was working today, and she said, "Grandad, can I play that game again? I want to show Daisy, who is her sister. She wanted to show her, but I mean, I was too busy." But yeah, it gets people engaged as well because it's theirs.
What viewers have to understand is that although we both look 35,
yes,
David actually is a grandfather.
That's true. 4 times, 5 times soon, but 4 times.
A professional grandfather.
Professional grandfather, yes, that's right.
Can you say, "Would you like a Werther's original"?
Would you like a Werther's original?
There you go. You see, professional. I can't quite do it because I'm only 35.
I mean, it does feel creepy me saying that. But,
anyway, what should we do here? This isn't. The pitch was Donkey Kong, and I think it's utterly failed because I don't see a donkey or a Kong.
Well,
what was the story you were telling about Donkey Kong?
Donkey Kong, it was called Donkey Kong, and I think this is correct. I will have to check it, but I think it was a Japanese translation. It was supposed to be Monkey Kong.
Oh right, yeah. I guess it is quite close, isn't it?
The translation came out Donkey Kong, and they tested it with US audience, Western audiences, and it sort of stuck. But hey, I'm not taking anything away from Donkey Kong because it gave us Mario, and Mario is the greatest.
Is he the greatest cultural icon of all time?
Computer game icon, I would have thought. I mean, I think Sonic is up there, but not as good as Mario. Mario is.
Yeah, I suppose. I mean, Pac-Man.
Well, Pac-Man's Namco.
The aliens from Space Invader.
Yeah, I mean, maybe. I did play Space Invader back in the day because I am 35. But
yes, on a replica machine, obviously.
Yes, obviously. But I don't know. I mean, Pac-Man is my favorite game of all time, without a doubt. You have to approve that, by the way, to bottom line.
Oh God damn it!
Yeah, I know. I think this is a. I don't think this is a Blink issue. I think this is a Claude Web issue.
You think it's just not talking to this MCP?
No, I think it is. I just think that it's sending a new request every time. That's what I think, but I will have to test it. But I don't use the web harness. I use a grown-up harness, like a terminal.
I don't use a grown-up harness.
Yeah. Or I use my own harness that I've built inside there, which obviously costs much more money. But
oh, look at that! That's not bad. It looks.
It's better now. This
it looks like a teddy bear.
Listen. It's getting further.
Do you think it'll even get this joke?
No. Now, I've got a joke about bears.
Have you?
Well, beer and bear spelled very close to each other. We were going to a gig one night, which I don't usually go to, but there was a band called the Beer Pigs was playing in my local establishment, and I reluctantly said, yeah, I'll go. And what they're like, and they went to search them on the internet, and I don't know how to spell beer, but I know how to spell bear.
Oh dear.
And if you put Bear Pigs into YouTube, it is not that band. It is something very inappropriate.
Things that 35-year-olds would not recommend you do is type
35-year-olds
Bear Pigs.
Do never search for Bear Pigs.
You can type it into DuckDuckGo though. It's all good.
Well, maybe. Well, I daren't because I was scared for life.
I bet. It was just a joke, Claude, because your monkey. I want Claude to say.
Looks like Teddy Bear's Picnic.
Yeah.
Maybe it should be throwing down sandwiches.
What I really want Claude to say now, and I don't think many listeners will get it, is Maminky.
I don't think I get that.
No, it's from the Pink Panther.
Oh, I know the Pink Panther, but I know more of the cartoon than the films.
Actually, we should, if we make it bigger.
Well, this is what I do. So this is what Claude does a lot. When you ask it to make a game, it always puts it in a container, which never feels right for me because it feels like, obviously it's thought, 1980s Donkey Kong. Let me put it in a screen that resembles that old CRT monitor. But I always say, make it a full screen app, or make it a full screen game. I always say that just to do it. Now,
I wonder what it'll think now. Do you think the ambiguity in my sentence is extreme? It might make me a much bigger bear.
It might. Now, in the background whilst you were doing this, just to prove the difference in models, and I don't think my prompt was much different from yours, I asked Blink to do the same thing.
Yeah.
But using Fable. Now, Fable is tremendous. I won't have anything bad said about it. I mean, I know the US government, I've got a few issues with it, but it's really, really good. Really good. So I had the same thing, and I'll show you mine, and it's finished mine. It took 8 minutes and It took 9 minutes. It's doing some checks.
What,
now.
just one shot? You gave it a great big long prompt?
No, I didn't give it a big long prompt. I can show you the prompt, which was build me a workable, and I spelled workable wrong, Donkey Kong clone that is full screen and full working, making the graphics, and I spelled graphics incorrectly, pixelated like the old Mario games.
Right.
And I'll show you mine in a second. Now, I don't know why Donkey Kong's got 3 arms or 4 arms, but still, I feel that this is more what you expected.
What, the one that you've got?
The one that I've got.
Mine is currently
Now,
like a legless bear.
Why did you say, leading to the bear thing, also make it much bigger? And it literally did. It make it much bigger. Now, it means it feels more to life that is the size of Donkey Kong versus your pixelated Mario. The bear has no legs. I mean, yeah, I mean, man's got 4 arms, but don't forget to approve that bottom right. It might time out.
Yeah. Oh.
I feel as though, can you just look at the code as well? Can you just open up the code view, which is the view which is just to the right.
To this robot. Why getting bigger? But I do love the big bear, even without its legs.
Right, send that.
Its legs.
Yeah, send that and then approve before it times out.
Let's go look at the code.
Yeah, look at the code, because I want to know. So this is done it in one JS file, one index file, and one CSS file. The CSS is obviously very minimal because it's all canvas, but it's really weird that Sonnet does this. So Fable doesn't do this. What Fable does is it goes, oh, I'm making a game, so I need to separate my modules into player or gameplay or things like that.
Yeah.
And mine's done that, sprites and audio. I didn't even ask for audio on mine, but it's given me audio. So we'll carry on with yours. Oh, mine's got sound. Mine's just bleeped.
Nice. It's taken a long while to do this.
Yeah, which is really odd because I mean you're going back and forward.
I think that's just a Claude thing. I was using Claude earlier today, and it was kind of slow.
And MCP does have it does have an extra hop, right? Because it has to talk to the web server, it has to do the thing, it has to send it back to Claude. So it's got an extra hop, but it's still pretty fast. I mean, I don't. What's it done? All right, okay, right.
That's much too big, man. But hey, it's still working.
Scale, yeah.
The size of this bear is hilarious.
It's amazing. I mean,
it does look a bit like Pedo Bear.
I don't know what Pedo Bear is.
How can
Again,
you not know what Pedo Bear is?
I'm not a worldly person, but it's even bigger now. Keeps getting bigger.
I know,
like every time
awesome.
you get hit by a barrel, does it get bigger? That would be a cool game. And then eventually it just takes over the screen.
It's awesome.
I would just have said make it full screen instead of making it bigger. But...
I know. I like to iterate with it though.
Yes, so yes.
I treat it like a colleague, and yeah, you don't really want to work with me. Anyone who's watching this, you don't really want to work with me because this is how I treat colleagues, how I treat this robot. With respect.
It's true. It's true.
Taking longer than usual. Yeah, you are.
Yeah, that is weird. I mean, that's not a Blink thing. That's just Claude, obviously, with its.
Yeah, I think that Claude is just busy because there's endless people asking it to make trivial games from the 1980s.
Well, mine's finished. Oh no, mine hasn't finished. Mine's still doing it. So
yeah, because Fable takes forever. I hate that.
Yeah, but in Blink there's this thing that says uncheck preview afterwards. In Fable it's sort of, and I've turned it off. In Fable it sort of goes, what do you know? I'm going to check it anyway. So it edits the JS file, it checks the JS file, it pipes in some JavaScript, it tests the thing, it starts the game. It's a little bit over. If it wasn't, and maybe this is what Opus 5 does, and I haven't tested it fully. This is pretty cool. Oh, you died.
I know. It's pretty difficult to avoid that one.
And obviously every edit that it does, oh, it's finished. It says it's finished, mine. Now, it finished at 8 minutes. It was playable at 8 minutes, and now it's actually playing the game. But mine was finished at 8 minutes, and you can obviously stop it in the internal harness or the external harness. I just can't wait for you to see my version. My version is...
Okay, so should we switch?
We can switch.
We can switch.
I think I need a... I'm going to just show you the code first, because I think I need a big reveal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I'm going to stop it from doing any more, though, because I think it's finished. And I'm going to show you the
Mine's stuck understanding the difference between a big bear and a big game.
Okay, here we go. So you can see my screen.
I can see the code and your excessively long prompt.
It wasn't an excessively long prompt. This was the prompt.
That was the prompt.
Build me a workable Donkey Kong clone that is full screen and full working. Make the graphics pixelated like the old Mario games. That was it.
Right.
And it did all of these things, and it created me an actors.
This was Fable.
This is Fable 5. Yes. This is the best model we've got.
Yeah.
Levels, main, player. Look,
the one that's so scary that the US government had to make it banned.
When it was doing sprites, because I said pixelated, I was watching this build, and you can see this is how we used to do old-fashioned. So we used to do levels in games and stuff like that. We had an array of things.
That's
but look, it's got all of the sprites from Mario moving. We've got to do. I mean, look, even in this state, it looks better than your donkey. But then when it's got its arms in the air, it's got these little extra arms. I don't know if monkeys have 4 arms, but I don't think they do. Anyway, I'm going to refresh it.
The Patagonian 4-armed donkey has...
Yeah, 4-armed. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm just going to press enter here. So
I haven't got any exciting music to play while you...
Well, it's got its own music. You don't have to worry about that.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Wow, look at that.
So it's pixelated the graphics as I asked it to, and I saw it do also. I want to show this in CSS. There's this way to pixelate graphics, which is image rendering, pixelated and crisp edges. And when you do pixelated graphics, you should probably turn that on. But this feels as though it's an old
proper Namco.
And then if we press enter, look at this.
Look at that. That's absolutely amazing. What an amazing job.
Oh,
wait. What was happening there? The barrel was going upstairs.
No, it wasn't.
The barrel was going up the platform.
No, it wasn't.
Look, that barrel just did it as well. What's going on there?
Which I can't see any
Look at
barrels
it.
going.
They're all doing it.
They're going down the platform. What are you talking about?
You don't know you're up when you're down. Those barrels are going up, dude. Look at it. Right, that barrel there. Yes? They're going the wrong direction. That is so weird.
Why can't I get up this ladder? Why can't I get up this ladder?
I don't know, because it fucked that up. Oops, I did a swear.
I'm about to rescue Princess Peach. Shit.
Now you did a swear. Can you get the hammer?
Yeah, I got the hammer. Let me finish this. Oh no, I can't do it. I can do this. I'm really good at Donkey Kong, by the way. For anybody who's not seen, there is a video called King of Kong, which is I can't get up that. I can't get up there. I can't get up there. I got that. Come on, up. Right, I can go up there. I can get up here, surely. Why can't I get up there? I only can get up this hat. I can only get up here. But they're coming down so fast. Why? Go! I think it's pretty impressive, though, right?
I think it's pretty good.
I
Yeah.
Then say I can't get up every ladder, and Nick says that sometimes the barrels go upwards. I've not seen it myself, but
it's happening right. It's happening every single time. Look at the top layer.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when the barrel comes down the ladder, it then goes up the ramp.
Oh, it goes up the ramp. Sorry, I thought you meant up the ladder. Yeah, it gets to the end. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. But this is pretty good.
That's amazing. Yeah, yeah.
I want to finish it, though. I feel as though I'm being cheated out of being able to finish the first level of Mario. Well, not the first level of Donkey Kong, which I'm really good at.
Anyway, there we go. We
this is and then you press save, and then you press preview. This is what are you seeing? You're not seeing my screen now, are you?
Yep. Yeah, I can see you. Like we can still see Donkey Kong.
Yeah, so this is full screen preview with the V, and then obviously if I want to push this, I go deploy to service, and I deploy to Netlify, and immediately this is now available on the internet without Blink, and there you go. Yeah. And of course, I can push to.
But the point really is that you could use cheap AI. I mean, Claude is pretty expensive, but you could use cheap AI to make things like this in Blink, and it's really interactive and kind of fun, and how you can learn stuff. So
I mean, I'm a little worried of what Mario's doing with his hand when he's walking. Let me show you. What is he doing? Oh, fine.
Well,
okay.
I think hands in this game are a bit of a problem just generally, aren't they? Look at the donkey.
Or he got fall.
Whichever.
Maybe he was just hiding them other two, and then
yeah.
But yeah, I mean, and not to be misogynistic, but would I really want to rescue that up there? I don't know what it is. It looks like a shrimp in a dress.
That's not beauty's in the eye of the beholder. You don't know what Mario's thinking.
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
And maybe
but yeah, that's that.
Yeah, so there we go. That was a more successful stream, hopefully. And,
I think so. Yeah.
If you want to dick about with Blink, this is how to do it. We're going to do another one next week. I don't know what we'll do. Maybe we'll try and get another guest in.
We've got
to build the website of your dreams.
That's right.
So
wonderful. I'm going to. I've got another call now, which takes me up to 10 p.m.
He's so
Chinese
busy.
Downstairs waiting for me, which will be cold by the time I get to it.
We'll go and get it and eat it while you're on your call. Right.
Lovely.
Goodbye.
See ya.